Welcome to the craft desk, everyone. My name is Vanessa, and for today's DIY, we're going to make this super cute candy corn candle and some spider wall decorations using items from the Dollar Tree. Make sure to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok, where I post quick and easy videos, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the little bell button to get notified when I post new videos. Now let's get on with today's project. So I had posted this project on my Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram as short reels, but I had so many questions on it that I decided to make a YouTube video. Now this glass pumpkin jar, I got it at a thrift store for $1.49, and I'm going to use these 3 candles that I got at Walmart. Now they're bigger than the usual pillar candles, so I only used 3. I'm going to attach 4 wicks to the bottom of the jar. I got these on Amazon, and I will link the items in my description box. So you're going to add 4. They come with the sticky tapes. This way they don't move when you're pouring the wax. So let's finish this part and we'll get on to the next step. So I'm going to melt all 3 candles. I took a pan and I filled it halfway with water, and then you're going to let the water boil in order for the wax to melt. Now these candles are pretty big, so it's going to take some time. Now that the yellow is melted, I'm going to pour it and I'm going to let it dry. So this is an easy project, but it takes time because you have to melt each candle and then you have to let them fully dry before you pour the second layer. So now here that the yellow one is already dry, I'm going to come in with the orange, pour that one, and I'm going to let the orange dry, and then we will add the final color, which is going to be the white. So again, you're going to boil the water, put the candles in, let the wax melt. Once you pour the wax into the pumpkin jar, you have to let each layer dry fully before you pour the next. Otherwise, the colors are going to mix together, and they're probably going to create some other color. That's not what you want. So I let the candle completely still for about 24 hours. Now I'm going to trim down the wicks to the size that I want, and this candle will be ready to display. Pretty easy project. The only thing is that it takes some time because you have to melt the candles, the wax, and then you have to let each layer dry before you pour in the next. But I think it looks super cool. If you have a chance to find this jar somewhere, again, I heard some people have found it at Target. Some people have had it from Dunkin' Donuts for many years ago. Again, I got this one at the thrift store. So check out a thrift store. Maybe you can find one of these jars or use another jar to make a candy corn candle. For project number 2, I'm going to use these plastic spiders. They're from the Dollar Tree. I've only seen them once. It was the day that I bought them. I actually went back to get more and they were all gone, but they look fantastic. So what I'm going to do with these 2 spiders is I'm going to use them as wall sconces. This is going to be a very quick and super easy DIY. I'm going to take a tea light holder and I'm going to hot glue it to the back of the spider. So just with a little bit of hot glue, we're going to glue the tea light, and it's going to make the spider glow once we hang it on the wall. So let's continue with this part. So the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to take some fishing wire. I picked this up at a craft store. We're going to take a piece of the fishing wire, and all we're going to do is we're going to thread it through one of the slots in the spider and just make a knot at the end. This way, when the spider is hung on the wall, you really can't see the wire and it looks like the spider is just crawling on the wall. So let's continue with this step. And once we're done with this, this project is completely done and ready to display. So this project is done. It was super quick, super easy, and it looks super cool. I really love the way both of these projects turned out. Let me know what you think in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, everyone. See you all on my next DIY.